Hi, we are going to make a unique mini SL stand out of popsicle sticks. First, glue on popsicle stick to another popsicle stick. Then, in the same way, other popsicle sticks will be mixed and glued with glue. Then draw a line on both popsicle sticks with a scale, then cut according to the number shown in the video. Then draw a line on both sides with a scale on a popsicle stick, then cut according to the number shown. Then stick these three cut sticks with glue. Now draw a line down the middle and down the scale on the two popsicle sticks. Now cut them out. Then put dots on the popsicle sticks. Then make holes in both of them. Then take three small round sticks, then join them together with these popsicle sticks. Now, by placing dots on the cut sticks, draw a line on both sides with the scale and then cut it. Then combine all these cut popsicle sticks with the previous popsicle sticks and connect them all. It's done. Now we will glue all the popsicle sticks together and then glue the top of the SL stand. This is our unique mini SL stand is ready.
If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.